Welcome back, babes. Our Bitcoin price prediction from yesterday's Sunday live stream at 10 a.m. PT has aged immensely well. Money is flooding into the Ethereum ecosystem, and Ethereum is on an absolute tear. Plus, we can expect to see crypto regulation coming into play via the UK and Russia. Plus, Biden's sneaky new tax bill was just announced this morning. I wonder what mainstream media news took the spotlight last night to cover this sneaky bill. Let's get into it. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, TikTok for breaking crypto news. But this story here from Being Crypto, over $100 million in Ethereum positions liquidated in the past 24 hours. And it looks like over 62,500 traders were liquidated. So basically what that means is it means that a lot of people were short when the market was bullish and they were not practicing risk management. Always make sure to practice risk management. Also, over $400 billion enters the crypto cap in 30 days as the global economy dwindles. We're going to talk a little bit more about Biden, inflation, and global economics in a bit. But first, let's take a look at this over here. It shows that Ethereum has been trending on Google Trends. And we can actually see a bottomed out area here, March 13th to 19th, and we're starting to run upward. This is good. This means more people are interested in cryptocurrency and Ethereum. And it is also showcased in this CoinDesk article. First mover Americans, Ether hits 2.5 month high as Google search shows peak interest in Ethereum merge. This basically means people are searching Ethereum, they're interested in the ecosystem, and they're getting excited about it. That means number go up. When we take a look at price here with Ethereum, our lines have played out immensely well. We're actually above the EMA 200, which is absolutely beautiful. Once we successfully get that bull cross with the EMA 9 above the EMA 200, it is full send. Right now, what I'm looking for is a sustaining over $3,200 to approximately $3,100 because we've got some strong support here at the EMA 200. If we can do that, our next target will be $3,800, and I'm 100% here for it. I've got quite a bit of Ethereum. Now, talking about Bitcoin, I am so happy. The only thing I got wrong yesterday is I expected there to be a little bit more of a pullback at like $45,000. That didn't happen. I was wrong. We actually shot straight up and hit an all-time high of $47,000. Well, $48,000 for this week. Bitcoin is still looking pretty healthy to me. Yes, there could potentially be pullbacks. And if we do get one, I would play the EMA 9 here and look for a pullback approximately $45,000 to approximately $44,000 because we are starting to get a little bit toppish here on the 12-hour chart. And we did have a nice run up. And you need to see a little bit of a pullback for posterity. Taking a look at the 6-hour chart. 6-hour chart is looking okay. However, we're starting to get a little bit flat. So do expect for some volatility. If all goes well and we hit our next target, expect $50,000 to $51,000. Now let's go ahead and talk about Biden's 2023 budget that would hike taxes on the ultra-rich, corporations, boost defense, and public spending. I'm not trying to get too political here, but I just kind of remember people saying that we needed to defund the police, and now all of a sudden we want to go ahead and fund them more. That's not really sitting well with me. Whatever though, let's get to money. Money is the most important thing. So if you go ahead and you read through some of these propositions that are going to be proposed, they want to go ahead and add defense spending, $6.9 billion directed at NATO, more than $32 billion in spending to fight crime at home, including more than $20.6 billion at the Justice Department and another $3.2 billion for state and local law enforcement, roughly $10.6 billion for global health security for future panoramas, and some of the key revenue raises here. They want to go ahead and raise corporate tax from its current rate of 21% to 28%. Let's talk about this a little bit because a lot of people might not understand how this works or may disagree with me, and that's okay. Comment your thoughts below. But corporations do employ people. So when corporations are receiving additional rate hikes or increases in taxes, that money that could potentially go to pay their employees better would now be going to the United States government. That's not sitting right with me. What I would do if I was the president of the United States is I would say, you know what, we're going to go ahead and take this additional raise, or actually you need to account for this raise and you need to increase the amount of money you're paying your employees. There's no reason at all that the United States government needs to have more money coming in taxes until they get their spending under control. Now, taking a look at this story, Brits go wild over crypto as UK government prepares to disclose its plans for regulation in weeks. So UK government is saying we're going to have some sort of crypto regulations that will be coming. Pay attention to that. I think that they're going to kind of follow suit what the United States is doing. They're probably going to have some sort of working group that's going to focus, pay attention to what's happening. But either way, crypto regulation is going to be shown on a global scale. And this story here, Russia's deputy energy minister urges to legalize crypto mining as soon as possible. Well, there's a lot of sanctions being put into play regarding Russia. And Bitcoin is for the people, by the people. Whether you like what Russia is doing or not, people of Russia do deserve to have access to Bitcoin because it is a true decentralized economy. Interesting how that works, right? But I think it's important to note that they are going to start really kind of diving into Bitcoin and crypto a little bit more. And whatever type of decision comes out of this is going to be a little bit shocking to a lot of people, me as well. And I think the United States is going to have to react. So is NATO, so is all these other countries. Because if Russia all of a sudden adopts crypto and Bitcoin and becomes super bullish on it, and the United States and other countries don't, it's going to create a lot of strife. So I'm going to be following this story, and I will make sure to report to you. Lastly, not lastly, but Arbys wants to offer virtual food in the metaverse. That's great. I love the metaverse. And also too, Arbys is one of my favorite fast food restaurants. So lastly, if you were in LA, please make sure to drop by the free NFTLA meetup tonight from 5 to about 10 p.m. I will be speaking alongside Meta Money, Mind Your Biz, Crypto Stash, Altcoin Daily, and other folks. It is free and I will have the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all tonight. Bye-bye.